write the following as logarithmic equations in base 10. A, y equals a cubed b squared, and b, y equals m over root n. So if we want a logarithmic equation out of this, we'll start with part A. We need to take logs of both sides. So y equals a cubed b squared. So we can't do anything with this until we've got it in log form. So what you do, you take logs of both sides. You'll be doing this a lot in the future when we're solving log equations, but here we're just forming a log equation. So when it sounds a lot more complicated than it is taking logs of both sides. It's at the beginning, it's as simple as just writing log left equals log right. So this would say log y equals log of a cubed b squared. So once you've done that, you can then start to use some log laws on it. So if we look at the right hand side, well, we can use the first law of logs to split this into two separate logs. So that could say log y equals log a cubed plus log b squared, just like that. Then we could use the third law of logs to bring these powers to the front. So log y equals 3 log a plus 2 log b. So now we have a nice logarithmic equation in base 10, and that is the answer that we're aiming at. Part B. Y equals m over root n. Y equals m over root n. So again, we're going to start exactly the same way. Take logs of both sides. It specifically asked us for base 10, so we're just going to write log left equals log right. Log y equals log m over root n. Now we have a quotient here, so we can use the second law. The log of the quotients is the difference of the logs. So this would now be log y equals log m, minus log of the square root of n. Nearly finished, but I just want to get rid of that power really, so I want to recognize now, I need to recognize now that root n means n to the power of a half. So log y equals log m minus log n to the half. Then we can use the third law and just bring this a half to the front. So final answer, log y equals log m minus a half log n, and that is a nice logarithmic equation.